Hello friends, irrespective of the size of your jewelry collection, your treasured pieces deserve a safe and secure home to protect them from loss or damage. There are a couple of reasons why jewelry boxes are important. They encourage jewelry to be stored in a central location, which reduces the chances of losing it or forgetting where it has been placed. They allow you to better organize your collection. Take an objective look at your existing jewelry collection. What jewelry category do you have the most of? Necklaces, earrings, rings. This will guide you on the layout which suits you best. If rings are your sweet spot, then opt for a box which offers multiple ring rolls. The rolls separate rings, allowing you to view them easily with the head of the ring visible but keeping them protected. If you love layering necklaces, then it's important to separate them to avoid chains tangling and knotting. In this case, individual necklace hooks and a pocket are indispensable. For earring lovers, there are either earring tabs for storing studs, or compartments for separating larger earrings, such as interchangeable drop earrings. So if you have multiple piercings, you are not constrained and have lots of options. Flexible, articulated bracelets should be stored in larger compartments, and larger, rigid bangles can be stored in a zip pouch. Most modern jewelry boxes have been intelligently and flexibly designed with a removable, smaller box which is the perfect traveling companion for safely storing jewelry when on the move.